New York Governor Andrew Cuomo has called for a nationwide buying consortium for purchasing medical supplies. He says the epidemic has seen the price of ventilators soar from $40,000 each to $73,000 as states bid for resources. As Alastair Bunkle explains, it comes as the US president considers quarantining individual states.
I suspect what it will mean is that it will be preventing people who live within New York City and New York State from leaving the state and therefore, of course, potentially transmitting and carrying the virus to other parts of the United States. Some other governors, the governor of Rhode Island has called for this, and it seems maybe President Trump is saying it off the back of that. But yeah, truth be told, I don't know what it means, and neither does the governor, Andrew Cuomo. He was asked about it in his press conference, and this was his response.
I spoke to the president about the ship coming up and the 4 sites. I didn't speak to him about any quarantine.
Has he spoken to you about a quarantine? Have you had any indication that that's a possibility for New York or parts of Connecticut?
I haven't had those conversations. I don't even know what that means.
I suspect it could be very difficult to enforce legally. I think we would have to look at what the health benefits were to it as well. Those would be all the decisions that the state would have to take here. But it possibly is another measure in order to try and limit the spread of coronavirus in the United States. And it is spreading, pretty rapidly. I mean, New York still remains very much the hotbed of the virus for the moment, and the numbers, as they do every day, are going up and up. Now, the latest today, 52 or more than 52,000 confirmed cases, 728 deaths in New York alone. They reckon what they're describing as the apex, the peak, if you want to put it that way, will be coming anywhere between the next 2 weeks and 21 days. So at the moment, it's all about preparing for that, and the arrival of USNS Comfort in New York probably on Monday will give an extra 1,000 beds. They're opening up a massive convention centre further down in Manhattan on Monday as well. That will be an extra 1,000 beds, and these are all the steps they're going through in order to try and alleviate pressure on the hospitals that are already overwhelmed here.